welcome to Wisdom Warrior Wednesday. I hope you guys are having a great day. And right now, I'm just getting everything ready for the guided meditation. So while you are preparing yourself, make sure you're not doing this guided meditation while you are outside working, driving. Do not do that. Do this when you are at home because you're going to get relaxed. So, with that being said, prepare yourselves and let's get ready for the guided meditation. Welcome, warriors. How you guys doing today? Now, I hope you had a good time writing down the goals and then seeing how your body reacts to the certain goals that you are trying to accomplish for 2026. Now, what we are going to do is just do this little body awareness to check in that if our nervous system agrees to these changes and how we can make that relationship stronger. Because we know we have to make these changes, but we have to do it in a subtle way. So now I want you to find a comfortable position and allow your body to be supported. Remember, nothing to fix, nothing to force. Just arrive. All right, now let's bring our awareness to our breath. And we're just going to take some deep cleansing breaths so we can get relaxed. So, follow me. Let's take a deep breath in and out. In through the nose and out through the mouth. And then we're going to do this so we can get really relaxed. So I want you to take that deep breath in and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and release. Let's do it one more time. One more. Take that deep breath in and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and release. Right now, you're starting to get into that flow, and we're releasing any tension that we might have right now. And I want you to bring your attention to your breath. We're not changing it, we're just noticing. And right now, I want you to feel where your body is holding you. The chair, the floor, the ground beneath you. Let your nervous system register safety. While you have your list in front of you, I want you to gently bring it into awareness, not as a task, but as an idea. And I want you to notice how your body responds. Where do you feel openness? Right in next to that goal. Where do you feel resistance? Write that down next to that goal. And you are not going to judge it. You're just going to go with the flow. You're just going to feel that communication from your body, not obstructing. And then, this is your indication on what you need to work on first. Now, if you notice tension, silently say, I release the need to force. For each goal that you feel that tension, just say, I release the need to force. You're going to allow your body to soften in its own time. Remember, alignment cannot be rushed. Now, let's do that embodiment permission. I want you to repeat silently to yourselves. My body is allowed to lead. My goals are allowed to feel safe. I trust alignment over pressure. Let these words penetrate your body and not your mind, just the body. We're just using that to help us get into that flow because we need to allow the nervous system to adjust to these new goals that we want to implement within our new year. Okay, now I want you to take another deep breath in, and when you are ready, gently return. Now, I want you to carry this awareness with you today, because aligned action doesn't exhaust you, it stabilizes you. It makes you feel alive with a sense of purpose and passion. And throw in that little excitement too, because why? You see, you need to do this beautiful change within you. This is going to be in that growth mindset. We want to complete ourselves having that open growth mindset so that we can make these changes that we want to invest within you. Everything you do starting from now is to help you make that subtle shift so that you can have the life you envision. Now, if you still have that feeling of tension, go back and do the guided meditation again until each goal that you have on your paper comes into alignment. So just take your time, have fun with it. If you need to step away to decompress, fine. But remember, everything you put down for your goals for 2026 has meaning, has purpose, so that you can have the life you envision. All right, guys, have fun with it. Take care. God bless. And until we meet again, bye bye.